Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to configure the shortcut key Windows plus E so that it could take you to the My Computer, this PC in Windows 10 machine. So here if I am pressing Windows plus E key combination from the keyboard, it is taking me to the quick access. So I don't want this. I think as you remember in Windows 7 system, if we are pressing the shortcut key that is Windows plus E, it is taking you to the My Computer directly. So here in Windows 10, it is not like that. Whenever we are pressing Windows E, we are getting into quick access, and then we need to click on this PC to get into My Computer, this PC. So, okay, let me just show you how to configure it in Windows 10 PC so that even after pressing Windows plus E button in Windows 10 PC, you will get into My Computer. So for configuring it, again press Windows E or just open the folder option. Here you need to click on View, then click on Options. You will get a new pop-up message. And here you just need to change this option, Open File Explorer 2. You need to select this PC from the drop down as I am doing in the video. As you could see, this PC is selected and then I'm clicking on Apply. As soon as I have applied on it and clicked on OK, now if I will press the shortcut key that is Windows plus E, it will take me to this PC options. As you could see here, I am getting into this PC directly, the My Computer. If you will correlate it with the Windows 7 operating system properties. So here you could see the drive option is below the folder options. So that we can sort, just you need to do right click on the empty space and go to group by. Here you should check the descending. As soon as you will put descending, it will be arranged like as you are seeing in Windows 7 operating system whenever you are opening My Computer. So it will look in that manner. So right now I am pressing Windows E and it is opening My Computer. This PC. This is Windows 10 machine, and in this My Computer is not there. That has been renamed as this PC. So that's it for today. If you think this video helped you, so please share it to help others also. And like this video, subscribe my channel, and do press the bell icon for quick notification. And stay tuned for new updates. Thank you. See you in the next video.